You called, or actually, Transparent Labs called, and I answered. How you doing, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Michael Lewis Hudson here. If you're brand new to this channel and to this community, what we like to do is do fitness reviews to make you a better you. So we're gonna do anywhere from equipment to workouts to supplements like this one. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe. Transparent Labs sent this over to me and wanted me to do an honest review for you guys. So I will be doing the 100% grass-fed protein and also the organic vegan protein as well. So I'm extremely excited to give this product a go and taste it and let you guys know my honest thoughts. So in addition to that, the winner between these two proteins, I'm gonna be showing you a special protein waffle recipe that you can try at home, especially right now during the pandemic. And for you guys, if you're looking for a high protein, low carb meal, let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I started with the organic vegan. Never really had a vegan protein before. I mean, I've had like pea protein and things like that, but nothing pure vegan. Okay. This is the French vanilla flavor. I definitely taste the vanilla. Kind of has a chalky taste to it, which I don't really like, but there's no aftertaste, which is great. Seems a little heavy. One more. Yeah, kind of chalky, kind of heavy. Taste of vanilla. Not bad of a flavor. What I do love about this is that it's low on sugar, only 2 grams and 24 grams of protein per scoop, which is great because, you know, let's be honest, we all shredding, baby. Let's go. I'm not the biggest fan. Out of 10, I'd probably give this like a 6.5, just because I probably wouldn't try this again. On to the next protein. So I will be doing a giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner in the next video, but we'll be sending out one of these bad boys to you as a thank you for winning this giveaway. So all you have to do to enter is make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below, #crushit. And I will randomly pick the winner in the very next video, and we'll send one of these bad boys to you guys. Okay, so I am now trying the 100% grass-fed whey protein isolate. 4 carbs, 27 grams of protein, boom, 1 gram of fat, and let's look at the sugars. Any sugars, 2 grams of sugar, so hey, checks all the boxes for me. The bonus is that it is cookies and mother effing cream, baby. That is my favorite dessert of all time. Comment down below, let me know if you agree. This stuff is absolutely incredible as advertised. I taste the cookies and cream. It has a sweetness to it, even though it's a very low sugar. And this is definitely the winner between the two because it doesn't have the chalky taste. It actually tastes like a premium, nice milky protein shake, and it really goes down very easy and very well. So with that being said, we have the winner here, and so I'm gonna be making my good old famous protein waffles right now. So I'm gonna take you through the entirety of how I make it and also show you the finished product. All right, everybody, so now I'm gonna be making the cookies and cream protein waffles. So it's a pretty simple recipe. So we're gonna start out with the grass-fed that we just reviewed, 2 scoops of that. We'll put that in the bowl here. We also have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So this is key. This is what's gonna really allow the waffles to be fluffy and really good. So we're gonna dump that into the thing right here. About 4 servings of liquid egg whites, so approximately 184 grams of egg whites. We need all that protein we can muster, baby. So we're gonna pour that right in right here. And lastly, we're gonna put just a little bit of almond milk or coconut milk, regular milk or water, just to give it a little bit more consistency before we put it into the waffle maker. And for the frosting, yes, we're gonna use a frosting for the cookies and cream protein waffles. We're gonna use some Faya Comment down below, let me know how you're supposed to pronounce it, but this is some Greek yogurt. We're gonna use 170 grams of this bad boy, and the key ingredient, some Vanilla Jello. Basically, virtually no calories, so this could be, just give it a little bit more taste as we spread it on those bad boys. As we wait for those bad boys to cook, we're gonna go ahead and do the mixture for the frosting. And let me tell you guys, this is going to be protein packed. It's gonna be a little sweet, which is what I love on any type of waffle or pancake. And trust me guys, when you do this bad boy, whew, it's gonna be marvelous. Last but not least, we have to add a little Jesse James West special, baby. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and feast on this bad boy. So it doesn't look like much, kind of looks like scrambled eggs or something like that, but I assure you guys this is an amazing meal because it's high protein, very little carb. I'll make sure to post the specific macros right here so you guys can check it out, and I'll also post down below in my description this recipe so you can try it out at home. That being said, let us get this first bite in. Let's go. This one's a tad bit dry, but hey, it's eatable. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Keep crushing it, my friends.